Good afternoon, guys and girls. Hopefully you can hear me. This is the first time I've tested out my new Dji Mic Mini. Although I'm not too sure I've located it very well in my helmet, because it seems to be pressing on the lower cheek a little bit, so I don't even know if you can hear me or not. It's not particularly warm, it's nice and sunny, but it's only sort of 8 or 9 degrees. Still pleasant. I have took a layer out my jacket as well, so jacket feels a bit more comfortable. And since the last ride, I put the tool screen back on, which is much better. Dodgy looking characters, balaclavas on. I'm hoping to improve the sound quality on the videos, so I bought the GoPro media mod, and I bought the Dji Mic Mini. Now I have the Mic Mini inside my helmet now. Hopefully it's working. In fact, probably sounds better if I put the visor down, does it? Planning on doing a couple of little tests. I'm going to run around a bit with this microphone inside the helmet, and then I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to see what the GoPro media mod sounds like on its own, because I've got to be honest, for doing this sort of thing it would be a lot less faff not having to put a microphone in the helmet. Okay, 60 miles an hour. I'm interested to know what it sounds like. I've got to say, I don't normally talk to myself while I'm riding, so it's all a bit weird, to be fair. I'm misting up as well now. Okay, so 70 miles an hour. How am I sounding? The usual sort of videos I do, I don't generally talk at all, unless I'm stationary, and then I might say something. So I'm not sure I even like this. bloody roadworks here, but been going on for bloody donkey's years. It's for the northern part of High Speed 2, which is cancelled. I'm not sure, you know, if that doesn't look like a big bloody black rain cloud over there. And over there. Okay, I might turn around. Okay, so I hadn't planned on this. I didn't want to get wet. I'm going to pull over somewhere because it's absolutely pissing down, and I gotta be honest, I ain't too sure how waterproof the DJI stuff is. I know the GoPro is obviously waterproof, but I ain't so sure about the DJI equipment. Okay, I'll tell you what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to remove the DJI mic. It's annoying me as well, rubbing on my cheek. And then we'll do a little test with the media mod. I know that's waterproof as well. And we'll see what it's like with just the media mod. And without the DJI mic. It'll be interesting to see the difference. So I'm going to switch it over now, I think. Okay, that was a bit of a disaster. It wasn't forecast to rain, and I'm a bit damp. Anyway, so I've now removed the DJI mic, and I'm using the GoPro media mod with the rear mic switched on. Now I'm going to be interested. I'm sure it sounds fine at the moment, but once I start moving, I'll be interested to see just how it sounds. Especially in comparison to the standard mic. And I know that when I got the big windscreen on, I get less wind noise anyway, so let's see what we do. I have decided though, I'm not over keen on talking and riding. All seems a bit odd really. It takes a bit of the enjoyment of the ride away. If you kind of know what I mean. I don't mind talking when I'm stopped. Hey, we'll see anyway. Right. Let's get moving. Looks like it's brightening up again now. Typical, eh? Okay, 30 miles an hour. How's the wind noise? What's the camera sound like? I can't imagine you can still hear me. Interesting to see. If you can though. Also, how's that wind noise? 40 miles an hour. 50 miles an hour. and that mic's still picking up my voice. And I won't know until I watch the video back later. Tell you what, the roads were dry when I came out. Yeah. Amazingly, if you can hear me at 50 miles an hour, then, well, actually, this clip wouldn't even be in the video if you can't hear me, because once I've edited it, I'll know if you can hear me. I think future videos I probably won't be talking while I'm riding, so I'm not going to be putting a microphone inside my helmet. Too much fun. Can't be bothering with that. But if this method works, then, you know, it's a lot easier, and hopefully there's less wind noise. And just like that, we've got dry roads again. I wasn't quick enough to turn around, was I? Right, I think I'm going to call it a day and head on home. I'm cold and wet, and the video didn't go to plan, but hopefully I'll get some results and I'll know whether the medium mod is better than the DJI mic in this instance anyway. Obviously I'm going to need the mic for different videos, but we'll see. I'll edit this video later, and if it turns out right, then all these clips will be on where I'm talking. But if you can't hear me, then obviously they won't. Right, heading back. Thanks for watching. and laters.